So many sad cases that come here, especially this last case with the elderly person. His eyes, he couldn't see anything, and that got him really worked up, and he wouldn't stop crying. Well, alhamdulillah, our team has got together. We've took him, we've checked him out now. He needs major treatment in his eyes, a surgery too, inshallah. So inshallah, we've took on the whole responsibility, inshallah, to take him to the city. We're going to pick him up from his house. We're going to take him all the way to the city, get all his treatment done, all his medications, surgeries, anything that's needed. We're going to get him all done, and we're going to bring him home, inshallah ta'ala. So this is why, my brothers and sisters, we need to understand how important this is. You know how many lives that we're bringing happiness into, how many people's lives. And these are the true masakeen, my brothers and sisters. You know, you can see it when the tears in their eyes, you know, it breaks your heart, subhanallah. You know, we take everything for granted, subhanallah. So open your hearts for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.